owning Zimbabwe, Ambassador Mnangagwa cannot continue to pretend that he is not behind ET 2030. Zimbabweans are not blind. We saw it before. When Mnangagwa was told never to utter the slogan and threats to arrest were made. Till today, Daniel Garwe and Zambi chant it publicly, untouched and emboldened. That alone exposes the double game. Salabina mashoko arikuda panguva ine macritics vanakirira mujati panguva ine vachiexposa the road, vachiexposa maplans aripo eku-extenda the term to 2030 not subscribe or like on the bell icon. Anoendrambira chiti. We also remember the audios of Mnangagwa in the Harare province conspiring to push Tagure into the Central Committee. We cannot forget how, when Mandichimene openly accused ED of harboring presidential ambitions, Mnangagwa denied it with a straight face. Even while a coup was already taking shape, history teaches us one lesson. Mnangagwa is a chameleon who cannot be trusted. It is a decision to cancel the UNGA trip speaks volumes. It was not about the people, nor the nation standing on the world stage. It has been about safeguarding his corrupt lieutenants, proving yet again that his loyalty lies only with his survival and his circle of looters. Self-preservation over national duty. This is not leadership. It is survival politics for his stomach, not the masses. Meanwhile, Valeros Vanda, instead of defending the people, chooses silence while joining the plunder in Mapinga with these Chinese criminals. Our environment is being destroyed, our railways stripped, and yet the so-called protectors of the nation see no evil and hear no evil. Zimbabwe deserves better than this rot. Thieves in high office, the criminals in uniform cannot continue to hold the nation hostage. The time has come to call out them, to expose them for what they are, and to demand accountability. ED pretend ignorance, yet he is fully aware of the looting, and he is architect of ED 2030. ED must be arrested with his looting gang. Zimbabwe are suffering. #ED must go. No mashoko ari kutaurwa panguva ino aiwanakirina mujati. Motse mafungiro enyu motuli pamusoro pehis post kana comment section medu mafungiro enyu. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.